What's going on, everybody? So today I need to do a quick adjustment on my lawnmower. This is a Honda HRC 216. The current problem I'm having is with my drive clutch cable. When I have it pressed all the way forward, it'll move when I engage the lever, but when I move it back to the middle or even all the way to its slowest setting, the mower does not move at all. So it's just a quick fix on adjusting the tension of the drive clutch cable. I will be doing some more videos on my lawnmower coming up before spring gets here, because when we moved I wasn't able to winterize my lawnmower. I didn't get to change the spark plug, clean the air filter, or clean the deck, as well as change the oil. Fortunately filled it up with fuel that had fuel stabilizer in it, so we're good to go on that aspect of things. So I will be doing a video on that in the future. So be sure to subscribe to my channel, hit that bell for notifications when I upload new videos, and if you like my content, please give me a thumbs up on this video. So now let's get started with this quick repair. So like I said, when I have this pushed forward all the way forward in its fastest setting and then engage the clutch to drive the mower forward, it moves. But when I have it pulled all the way back right here and then engage the clutch, it does not move at all. So the first thing we just need to do is open this up, put a block of wood right here just to keep it open, and then we need to remove this panel right here. So when we're trying to adjust the drive clutch cable, we're looking at this piece and this piece right here. At the end of this piece there's a little notch, and right on this piece of metal there's a little etched in line. So according to the owner's manual, to make sure the cable is adjusted appropriately, we have to put this all the way in its slowest position, and then we're going to pull both levers all the way forward. So I have those two levers pulled forward, and they're taped actually for me to be able to record this, but you can see with those two adjustments, these two marks are still not lining up, they're off slightly. Hey guys, so while I was editing this video, I didn't feel like I was explaining myself very well, so I wanted to stop this section and zoom in on this particular part of the mower. So with the orange shift lever pulled all the way back in the slowest position and the drive clutch lever pushed all the way forward, this mark and this mark should be perfectly lined up. In this particular case, we can see that these marks are still not lined up, so we need to make a quick small adjustment. So in order to adjust the drive clutch cable, it's really just about loosening and tightening these two nuts right here. You may need to loosen this top nut and then tighten this lower nut to basically tighten the cable all together, or vice versa to loosen the cable. Either way, it's a really quick fix. While you're doing that though, you just want to make sure you continually check that mark to make sure it's starting to line up. Alright, so we have adjusted it. Those two marks are lined up. Let me show you here real quick. So I'm hoping the camera picks it up, but you can see now that those two marks are lined up perfectly now. If the camera didn't pick it up before I fixed this piece was actually sitting farther forward, and now it's sitting back in line with that little notch right there. So before I put all of this back together, I want to test this to make sure it's working appropriately. So I'm going to start it up. I will not be engaging the blade at all. I'm just going to be pushing the levers forward just to engage the self-propel, see if it's working in its fastest and slowest setting. Alright, so you can see that it worked perfectly fine in its slowest setting as well in its fastest setting. So now it's just about putting everything back together the same way we took it apart. Alright guys, well that's how you adjust the drive clutch cable on a Honda HRC 216. I hope this was helpful to you guys. If you like my content, please be sure to subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up to this video, as well as if you have any questions or comments, please leave those below. Again, thanks for watching my videos guys. I'm Ben the Lawn Guardian, and I'll see you in the next video.